Hi everybody, it's Alexandra Baker, your home BFF. How are you? And I wanted to do a quick little tour on some of the Halloween decorations from yesterday's show. We did our Halloween show yesterday. This is a silver glitter tree that I've had for years, and I put some webbing on it, and I found these beautiful, look how pretty these are, these mercury glass skulls. I found them at Joanne Crafts and Fabrics, and I ordered the little ravens, a package of 6 on Amazon. That was quite the Amazon find. And what else? So that's all I have on the tree. Say hi, Queen. And then this is a little DIY project that I did. Often in my pictures, you'll see these green moss orbs that I have, and I love them. But I just covered them in a little bit of orange lining fabric, very inexpensive, and I made little jack-o'-lanterns with some ribbon. Queen, get down. I'm talking to my dog. And then this is, let's see, more of the little skulls. This one is gold. And I have them hanging on these ornament stands that I have from HSN. This is the lantern from HSN years ago. You might recognize a little Z Gallery. And then this is just some webbing, not webbing, it's spider web, black lace. And I covered my lamps with it just for that, you know, little eerie glow or eerie look to it. This is my favorite part. This is our sofa. And I not only put the webbing on it, but we have these pumpkin holders that I put mercury glass spheres into, and the mercury glass spheres sit inside, and then these pumpkin holders are the shape of a cat, and you can see the cat eyes glowing, and it's going to keep our dog, Queen, from getting on the sofa at night. At least I hope it does. The first night it worked. More decor, some of it on the floor, more of these little, I covered some of my extra spheres and made them into jack-o'-lanterns. How pretty. I've got these beautiful pumpkin velvet decor out. More of the lace. Okay. What else? What do we have here? Here's another little vignette that I did. This beautiful pumpkin sold so well last night, and I think we sold out of the realistic smoldering embers flame. So I just kind of layered together many of my favorite items. I added the webbing to our railing here. I even made these little, there were spiders everywhere. It came with the webbing, but I put some glitter on them. Okay, and then this was one of my favorite little DIY projects that I did. These were pretty ordinary stem artificial flowers, and they had a little bit of glitter on the top, just a little bit. But then I kind of went crazy with black glitter and silver glitter, and even these little spider webs I added more glitter to. And look at how pretty the leaves came out just by adding glitter. These are ordinary flowers that really look extraordinary because I added the glitter. And then I layered in loads of my mercury glass orbs in purple and silver and gold. I put them on this mirrored charger. And then I added one set of string lights inside the vase and around the flowers. Okay. In the kitchen, give thanks. I think you'll remember or you'll recognize the large turkeys from Z Gallery. And then we also have more of the apothecary jars from HSN. These were from HSN, I think it was last year. So this is the pumpkin. You saw the orange out in the living room. I love this little corner here. What do I have here? Oh, I've got more of these little skulls. Can I just turn them off? Okay. So, you know, just very clean, very simple. I didn't go too crazy. I can tell you in my family, a big hit was filling this apothecary jar with Reese's peanut butter cups. I think we put quite a dent in there. But overall, the look is just warm and inviting. There's the webbing. Oh, look what I did. I also did, it's kind of funny, where, you know, I leave my beautiful rhinestone buck out all the time, but depending on the holiday, I'll go ahead and dress him up. And so I went ahead and did a little Day of the Dead. Let me see if I can get it really close, where I took one of the ornaments and then added some of the extra flowers and the ribbon. Do you see what I did there? And just a little bit of the glitter. So even my beautiful prized rhinestone buck that I keep up year round is dressed for the holiday. Queen, say hello. Say hi, everybody. Okay, so that was just a little tour. Oh, and I found the skull pillow at Michael's. So, all right, everybody, have an awesome night. Take care.